Hello everybody, my name is Sohil Kumar and for my creative production I have designed a poem which I am going to present to you with appropriate gestures. Alright, my topic was protecting Hawksbill turtle, the guardians of coral reef. So I am going to first read out my poem and then as we move on I am going to explain uh, each of my stanzas. So as I commence, once again, I read the topic protecting Hawksbill turtle, guardians of coral reef. Blue is the sky, green are the trees, flowers bright purple. Colorful is the land where we live, the residence of mortal. Scientists know every being is just a randomized statement. 71% is the proportion of water. Species we know is just a sample. There existed many species previously in total, subjected to human activities, remaining number is little. Species are on brink of extinction, thus this poem will enlighten huddles of hawksbill turtle. Medium in size, known for its pointed beak, golden brown with dark yellow streaks. Overlapping plates has a shell unique, embodies the marine life, safety is what it seeks. It primarily feeds on sponges, providing corals great relief. Sponges threaten the corals and is a space thief. Therefore, their protection is our responsibility, since they are species protecting the coral reef. Coral reef provides so much resources and saves us habitat with just little sunlight, protecting us from tidal waves standing in darkest night. This cruel world is killing turtle and snatching their shells. To live in this world is everyone's right. To make our voices heard, we need to stay intact. It is not possible to impose regulations without legal facts. As a Pacific Islander, we need to support our natives in nature's debt, or else get ready to suffer climatic impacts. With this word, now I would like to move on to explaining each of my stanza as to what content I tried to display or relay rather to you, to the audience. So my first stanza is once again, blue is the sky, green are the trees, flowers bright purple, colorful is the land where we live, the residence of mortal. So I am trying to derive that the environment is so vibrant, right? And it is where all the living beings um, we live, right? And also I have written that scientists know every being is just a randomized statement. We say that scientists know multitude of facts about this universe, but that's just a statement. There are a multitude of things that which are yet to be discovered. And like I've said that 71% is the proportion of water. That means the rest of the 29% is land, and 71% of the earth makes up water, right? So, and there little proportion that we have just discovered, there are many species, many living things which are yet to be discovered, right? So, and then in my next stanza I have written that there existed many species previously in total, subjected to human activities, remaining number is little, right? So in other words, previously there were multitudes of species which were residing in ocean, in land, but there is decline in their number of existence, right? And in other words, we can term that extinction or classify them as endangered species. Thus, this poem will enlighten hurdles of hawksbill turtle. So this is somewhat the thesis of my poem. And then moving on, medium in size, I am now describing how a hawksbill turtle looks like, right? So it's medium in size, known for its pointed beak. It's golden brown in appearance with dark yellow streaks, overlapping plates, has a shell unique, and embodies the marine life. So it's somewhat a representative of marine life, right? And then in my third stanza, I have written that it primarily feeds on sponges, providing coral reef great relief, right? So why I've written that is because the turtles primarily feeds on sponges, right? So sponges is a great competition to coral reef. They fight for space, right? So indirectly, the Hawksbill turtle is reducing the number of sponges that's residing in the ocean and giving coral reefs much more space. So coral reef serves as habitat to organisms, right? So, and indirectly, it is providing us humans with so much of benefits. Like it's the coral reefs are barriers to strong tidal waves and so much many more, right? Also, coral reefs provides medicines, right? In my fourth stanza, I have written that coral reefs provide so much resources and serves as habitat with just little sunlight. So the thing it requires is just little sunlight and space, and it has less input, but it has greater amount of output, or rather benefits. Right? It protects us from tidal waves. Standing in the darkest night, this cruel world is killing turtle. So our human activities is a major cause for the decline in the number of hawksbill turtle. We kill them for their shell, right? We over harvest them. We want to have a good feast by killing them. So that's not right, right? So because uh, we should not over harvest them, right? Because to live in this world is everyone's right. In my next stanza, I've written that to make our voices heard, we need to stay intact, right? There are people in islands who are trying to protect turtles, but they are unable to so because their voices are not heard. So what can alternatively be done is that the Pacific Islanders people who are educated, they can put up or go through legal mediums and impose regulations, right, to protect turtles, right? As a Pacific Islander, we need to support our natives in nature's debt. In nature's debt, in a sense that we are in debt to what nature has offered to us. It has offered a lot of benefits, right? And as my last point, if you are not going to do anything to save turtles, not save turtles only, or saving every endangered species, if we fail to stand up for them, then please be ready to for other climatic negative impacts, for other challenges, upcoming challenges that we are yet to face. So that's what all my poem is about. I hope you have liked this. You have enjoyed my poem. Thank you. Vinaka Vakali.